HP 250 G9 laptop computer, home and office, 15.6-inch review, 32 gigabytes, 2 terabytes, ready to work. There is nothing worse than watching your laptop freeze mid-task while a deadline quietly ticks closer. I watched a colleague lose an entire spreadsheet to a storage full error right before a client call, and the stress on her face said everything. That moment stuck with me. If you have ever felt like your laptop was working against you, you are not alone. Slow machines drain more than time. That gnawing, suffocating feeling of waiting for apps to load, managing cluttered storage, and losing connection mid-video call compounds into quiet, exhausting burnout. A friend of mine spent an entire evening reorganizing files just to free up enough space to run one update. There is a calmer, faster, far more controlled way to handle everyday computing. Then I discovered the HP 250 G9 laptop computer home and office, 15.6-inch, and everything shifted. Don't just grab any home office laptop. Make sure it has a large NVMe SSD paired with generous RAM so you never deal with storage full errors or tab-induced slowdowns again. This machine ships with 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD, which means dozens of browser tabs, office applications, and background tasks run without hesitation. The full-size keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad is a genuine productivity boost for anyone handling budgets, invoices, or data entry regularly. Wi-Fi 6 keeps video calls stable even in busy network environments, and Windows 11 Home is preloaded and ready from the moment you open the box. The 15.6-inch anti-glare display is comfortable for long work sessions, and the thin, lightweight chassis makes it easy to move between rooms or carry to a cafe. A remote accountant I know was seconds from missing payroll submission when this machine handled QuickBooks and remote desktops simultaneously without a single stutter. Long-term reliability matters too, and that is exactly where this story gets interesting. Day after day, the benefits become part of a quieter, more focused routine. A budget laptop reviewer noted that upgrading an HP 250 G9 with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD maximizes its strengths for light productivity and storage-heavy workflows, calling the combination genuinely practical for everyday users. A remote work influencer praised the numeric keypad and Wi-Fi 6 as the kind of thoughtful features that actually change how productive a home office feels. One student shared that running Zoom, multiple research tabs, and a word processor simultaneously produced zero noticeable lag, which is a real-world result that means something. A small business IT consultant described the 2 terabyte SSD as future-proofing for businesses that store years of local records without relying entirely on cloud subscriptions. Some buyers hesitate over the Celeron N4000 processor, and that concern is fair. However, with 32 gigabytes of RAM handling memory demands efficiently, everyday tasks like document editing, streaming, spreadsheet work, and video conferencing run smoothly without the CPU becoming a bottleneck. The SSD also keeps boot times impressively short. What kind of daily tasks would you put this machine through first? If you need a dependable home and office laptop that handles storage, multitasking, and connectivity without drama, this is a genuinely smart choice. The HP 250 G9 laptop computer home and office, 15.6-inch, is earning steady trust from students, remote workers, and small business owners who want reliability without overcomplicating their setup. Results may vary based on individual workloads, but the foundation here is solid. Click the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and experience the difference in your daily workflow today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.